Hi, my name is Shari and this is my timeline. When I was 5 years, I started go to the kindergarten, Carlos Pereira. Subsequently, when I was 6 years, I started go to the elementary school, Benito Juarez. When I was in the elementary school, I didn't participate in the dance. I had very sad. Afterwards, when I was 9 years, I had my first diploma. When I was 12 years, I graduated and I had a waltz. Then, when I was 12 years, I started go to the secondary school, Unión y Progreso. When I was in the secondary school, I didn't participate in the parade. Afterwards, when I was 15 years, I graduate and I see the parting words and I had very sensitive. When I was 15 years, I had a party and finally when I was 15 years, I started go to the high school. Thank you.